Hello everyone, here we are presenting our hostel management system project which is developed by Visual Studio 2010. Front end is VB.NET and back end is MS Access. Here we show our menu items like home page, student page content, registration and login menu items, then photo gallery, then about us and then contact us. First is admin logins, hostel officials, hostel fees, facilities, hostel complaint, staff feedback and people feedback. There is show our developer name. Next is registration page. Here it is the complete detail of registration form which will be filled by the student. Next is login panel, ये मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगा. Next is photo gallery. Here we show our photo of our hostel. Next is about that. Here we provide our overview and history of our hostel. Next is contact us. Here we provide complete detail of hostel, and also we have provided this interface to contact our hostel officials. You write your name, email, message, then click submit button. One message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Next is registration page. First you write your college ID which is provided by the college, and this is GC 001. Next name, father name, date of birth, select your branch, semester, contact number, permanent address, place, date. Then click submit button. Message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Now in home page, first is hostel officials. Here we provide complete detail of our hostel staff. Next is hostel fees. Here we provide our complete charges of hostel. Next is facility. Here we provide complete detail of our hostel facility. Next is hostel complaint. There is a link to send out to reflect your contact us page to contact and complain to hostel official. Next is staff feedback. This is designed for staff to give staff writing their name, then their type, then staff's feedback. We write. Then click submit button. Message box will show, then click OK. Next is people feedback. Where visitor website can do their feedback to this panel. Visitor writes simply their name. Next is type. He is insider hostel and outsider of hostel. You can select. Next is date. Next is feedback box. Here visitor was write their feedback, and then click submit. Then message box also successfully submitted, then click OK. Next is login panel, student login panel. Here student write their username and password which is provided by the college, and then login. Message box was successfully submitted, then click OK. Here is the student page. Student page contain following number of buttons like pay hostel fees, pay mess fees, hostel complaint, other requests, hostel feedback, and permissions. First is hostel fees. Student can pay their fees through this interface. He select their month, name, date of birth, branch, semester, hostel room number, hostel amount is already given, then bank UPI ID, date is already filled it, then click process to pay, then message was shown, then click OK. Next is pay mess bill. Student select their month, name, branch, select branch, select semester, date of birth, hostel room number, amount is already given, then bank UPI and date is already given. Then click process to pay, then message box show, then click OK. Next is hostel complaint. Student can write their complaint regarding to hostel activity to this panel. First name, second branch, third semester, then hostel room number, and he write their complaint, and then click submit button. Then after successfully submission, the message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Next is other request. Student can send their requested along to hostility and non-hostel activity to this interface. You write their name, then select their branch, then select their semester, then write her room number, then write her request, then click submit button. Then after successfully submit, message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Next is hostel feedback. Student can send their feedback to this interface. First write their name, second hostel room number, select branch, select semester, then write her feedback, then click submit button, and after successfully submission, message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Next is hostel permission. In this, student can request any type of permission to their hostel staff. Here is the interface to ask the request, and here we show their previous permission request. Student can ask their permission to this by writing their name, then selecting their branch, then selecting semester, click, then writing their row number, then student request, then click submit button, and after successfully submission, message box will show successfully submitted, then click OK. Then student can check their request where it is accepted or not according to their previous permission request section. Here their name and their permission is in processing. So this is all about student login page. Now next we go to our admin login page. Admin can log in by clicking their username and password, then click login, then after successfully login, message box show this is admin login page. Here contain following check: hostel officers, hostel details, check request, staff payment, check staff feedback, people feedback, and hostel permission. First is staff details. Here is the staff detail, and this interface admin can add staff and remove staff by clicking their name. Post date is already selected to the current dates, then click add staff, then message box was successfully staff added, then staff was successfully added, you can see that. Now next is removing staff, then removing the staff by clicking their name, post, and selecting their date of joining, then click remove staff, then after successfully remove, the message box show, and then you see staff was removed. Next is student details. Here is all the registered student detail are shown. Admin can allot room according to their name and room number, and click allot button, then room number is allotted. You see that A01 allotted to Ashutosh Pandey. Next, admin can remove a student by writing their name, room number, and then click remove student. The student was removed. Next is hostel record. Here we show hostel student fees and hostel student mess fees details. Next is staff payment. Here we show our staff payments. Next is staff feedback. Here we show our staff feedbacks. Next is student feedback. Here we show our student feedback. Next is people feedback. Here we show our website visitors and people's feedback. Next is permission. In this panel, admin can accept and reject student permission request by clicking accept and reject button. After clicking message box will show, then click. Now student can check their request to their student login page. Student logged in their student page. Then go to their permission tab. and then go to their previous permission request, and there is he see that their request was accepted. This is all about of my project. Thank you.